You excited for chicken tenders, Nikki?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Alrighty, welcome back to 3 Idiots in a Griddle. Today we're going to be making homemade chicken tenders, and we're going to be putting them on a sub. The theme is a pub sub, which is something that Florida's known for. So we're going to have a little bit of fun today. Let's go! I think you might actually have like a psychological issue where you resort to T-Rex noises. Okay.
Anyway.
Alright, we're going to go over our ingredients list. More Fiesta blend. We've got some Cuban sandwich rolls, Tajin, meat tenderizer, some chili powder, an onion, some breading, eggs, chicken breasts, there's some flour hidden back there, and of course some milk. Milk. And that's it. Let's get it.
Fat ass.
Time to play with some meat. Are you wasting that protein?
Yeah.
We may have moved up in the world where we can be wasteful, but it's wrong.
Eating fat is not good for you, Aaron.
Okay, cut off the fat.
That's what he did.
No.
Yeah, see, he just cut off the fat.
Did that one he did.
I have to prove.
Don't mind me, dude. Just slow-mo running behind you for no reason. I have like little spurts of energy, and then I have to use them, and then they're just gone, and I'm dead. You gonna ever finish cutting chicken over there, or you just... I hate them. I hate Tim Bones.
The sunlight is not well spread.
I did fully dead.
It is.
He's like that
Feel
guy
more
from
that
the
I'm darker
vegetable
than you will.
It doesn't bother me. That just means you're going to wrinkle more than I am.
That's not good.
Yeah, it sucks for you.
I have white people's skin, so I'm screwed.
A little bit.
I can tell you right now, I'm gonna hit 45, and it look like I'm 90.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, the moon.
Ta-da.
Yeah, sizzling seasoning. Oh yeah, just jam your thumb all in that eggshell. Bag egg. Stop wiping egg on me. Man, I had clean hands until now.
Probably not.
No, I did. I just washed them.
Why are you so... you sweating?
Dude, after the hot sauce, it was rough.
Nicolette, your people are calling you.
That looks like an actual shit. Like an actual piece of
I
shit.
promise you, it's not cooked all the way there.
Yes. Look at this. Actual turd. Dude, this is a cloud of smoke in here now. This thing is putting off so much smoke.
You excited for chicken tenders, Nikki? Oh, okay. Thank you for joining us.
Sorry, I had to send an email. I was trying to find the thing I was looking for.
Businessmen.
Try.
What bitches?
That's toxic. There you go, Will. Get it. Get it.
Is that how you feel?
Oh.
Nick's gonna have to do most of them. You're so slow at it.
Listen, I'm getting faster, okay? Here we go. Watch.
Nick also did multiple at a time.
I'm allowed to do multiple at a time? Okay, well. Now I know.
Yeah, just don't suck.
Listen, William, stop yelling at me.
They might be good. Look at them fingers.
Bro, look at them. They're like casts.
Look at all the goodness on them.
Look at it. Ready? Isn't that almost majestic how it looks when it's cooking.
Tom's in that drawer.
Goodness, that was hot as shit.
Oh, shit!
So funny.
To all of you ladies out there, you've just heard this wild mouth's mating call.
Oh, shit!
You're a wizard, Aaron.
I'm a what?
You just destroyed a whole loaf of bread. Like, smashed it.
Bitch, you are the loaf of bread.
Those look delicious. You'll be back in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Bye.
Bye. Nick, why not put the chicken on a separate plate and just cut it real quick?
For real. Why are you making this hard on yourself?
Yeah.
Protein. Look, Willie's jamming meat in your buns.
And Will's not making a sound.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh my god.
I looked over and was like, what is going on? Oh, that's a little cheese for you.
I'm sorry, you said you wanted it to be cheesy.
Yeah, well, you answered the call.
I needed to.
Okay, now, hold on.
I needed to make sure.
Goodbye, friend. Be back in 10.
And away we go. Sam. And then we got Aaron's. Just pure cheese.
Look at this massive sub. Time to see how good it is. Yeah. Oh my god. There's like a perfect amount of cheese on top. The chicken is crispy but and juicy. This right here though is 1,000 calories.
Oh yeah.
No doubt about it. That's not good. The chef made it to half and he's done. Will, on the other hand, is crushing the shit out of this stuff. This brings me back to like when I was a kid and I would always go to like the beach, boating, whatever it may be, and we'd always go to Publix. They had the best subs. We'd always get a chicken tender sub and we would toss it in buffalo and ranch. You could eat that sub cold, you could eat it hot. It's just to die for. To this day, I still grab pub subs occasionally. Dude, getting to the middle of this sub was a whole different story. Like, the taste may have just gotten even better. All the flavors in there.
This sub gave me hiccups.
I like how you bit into it so deep your eyes rolled back.
This is insane. Bro, I may be like him. Why don't they I can finish this? Oh, you stuffed this thing with some chicken. I'm proud of you. I think I'm gonna take one more bite. I don't know if I can do any more than that. Okay. I've now composed myself. This may be one of my favorite things that we have made so far. 100%.
Indeed, brother.
We appreciate you visiting us here at Ingredients and Griddle. We're going to go ahead and sign off. Like always, we want to build a community that's fun. Love to chat with you. Comment, like, subscribe, all the fun stuff. Even if you want to, do it. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Peace.